Hey guys, NULL28Ø2 here, and as you can tell, and right from the title, sorry about that. I got another one, but not just one, two of them. See, this is the first one. This is the second one. I'm gonna make I'm gonna open this one up, and then make another video of me opening this one up. But this one is the expanded edition for the album NULL28Ø2. If I can get it out. See? But the back cover is still the same in this one. But the front and the inside for it is different. Well, I wouldn't want that to happen. So, yeah, and, oh no, I put it in the wrong way. Hold on a second. Yeah, so I put, there's all four of them. The Lunar Eclipse Hardstyle EP, NULL28Ø2 Deluxe, Null in the Night Fury, and Null's Lullaby. And, like I said, this one is NULL28Ø2, the expanded edition. And this one is Null versus the Unholy Offspring of Lightning and Death Versions EP. So, yeah, I'm gonna open this one in this video, but then do a different video opening this one. So, if you want to see the video of me opening up this EP, it'll be in the description below, so go watch it if it's already uploaded. So, sorry about my hair. So, yeah, let's start opening this one up. Okay, so, yeah, I have it flipped on the other side, so that way you won't see the address and name. So, here we go, opening this one. The EP, no, not the EP. What am I thinking? The expanded edition. So, as always, this. So, this one was gonna come today. Well, this one is supposed to come to. Oh God, what am I doing? So this one was originally supposed to come today, but the EP was supposed to come on December 15th, which is Monday. So let me see. Shoot. I'll roll that again. Yeah, so this is the expanded edition. I like how this one turned out. And guess what? And look at this. This is the cover. And I decided to do that for the album cover. And get this picture is over 3 years old. I did do a speed paint video for it, but I had to delete it because of something. Anyway, and here's the side. I also added the name. Let me show. See? Same with the other one. And then here's the back. Same cover. And well, what's different about this one is that the number 11 Null's Corruption Extended Mix is on this one. And these are the expanded edition tracks. Null and Herobrine Chaos, Captured by Null, Null's Fury, Null's Lullaby Part 2, The End is Nigh, The End is Null, Trapped in the Broken Script, Null's Corruption Part 2, and Null's Christmas Spirit. So, yeah. Let's see, I like how this turned out. But this part doesn't match the cover. So I'm going to change that. Because I was planning on changing that part to something different. So I'm going to open this bad boy up. And put this aside for later. If I can. I'll just use a pen to open that up. There we go. I think that'll work. Come on, stupid. Come on. Come on. I'm starting to get frustrated about this. Okay, I'm gonna oh, wait. Let me try this, the other end. Ah, come on now. Now this is me getting frustrated right here. There we go. I think that did it. I don't know, guys. How am I gonna get this thing open without breaking it? Oh, wait. I got it. Yay! There we go. Perfect. There. Yeah, I like that. So, here's the front cover again. Side. Other side. And back. And as you can tell, I did brighten it. This is the backup for this one a little bit. Nope. I'm trying to get the other ones out. Yeah, so as you can tell, like, see the difference. This one's not bright. This one is bright. So I'm just gonna stuff that in my backpack. No! Yeah, I just had to stuff that in my backpack. And as soon as I did that, my backpack fell over. So, yeah, let me see the inside. Why does everything hate me today? Object-wise, let's see. There we go. And I did. Well, I was not expecting the CD to come out like that, but this is the CD. And this is the other side of the cover. And yeah, this is a different picture and all I did. I did this in 2022. Same thing with this too. But watch. I am going to do something with the actual case. I like that. Yeah, see? I didn't upload the tracks for like 17, 18. Yep, but I did upload 19, which is Null's Christmas Spirit. I'll put that in the description below. So what I'm about to do with this is replace that with a much clearer one. So I gotta get a different case from another CD that I got. Hang on, I gotta find one. Hold on a second, I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so it took me a few minutes to find what I was looking for. So I'm gonna take the clear disc, clear part for this one, and replace it with this one. And then take the black one and replace it with this one. So watch. So I'm gonna try to be careful here because this one is brand new. Oh yeah, it totally does. Really. Sure looks better this way. Oh my god, this really does look better. This really does. Okay, so now that I know what I was doing, time to put these back. So, alright, so now that this is taken care of, so here's the front, the back, side, and the inside. Because that totally matches, alright. Yeah, it sure does. Okay. Yeah. I really like how that turned out though. So, I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and this may sound silly, but as soon as I stop the recording for this one, I'm gonna unbox the EP. So yeah, so I'll put the sorry about that. So I'll put these two songs in the description below once they're uploaded. So along with the actual playlist too. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. God damn it! I'm gonna have to edit that one part where I was switching the cases out, speed it up a little. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video or live stream. So this is NULL28Ø2, and bye.